How to manage FaceApp privacy settings. First of all, open FaceApp on your device and tap the settings icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and look for the privacy section. Here you will find different options to manage how your data is handled within the app. You can request the removal of your cloud data by tapping Request Cloud Data Removal. This allows you to ask FaceApp to delete your photos and data stored on their servers. There's also an option called Enter Support Code, which may be used when FaceApp support team assists you with privacy-related requests. Additionally, you can use the Send Logs or Report Issue feature if you have any concern about how your information is being used or if something seems off with your account. It's a good idea to check FaceApp's privacy policy directly from the app to understand what data is collected and how it's used. Always make sure to use the app responsibly and review your settings regularly to ensure your personal information is protected. Now you know how to manage FaceApp privacy settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.